Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So for those who do not know me, this is Mansi Ludhwani. I create videos on fashion in order to help women who are in the process of beginning their capsule wardrobe so that they can make the best out of it irrespective of the occasion. So for this video, I have chosen 8 items from my wardrobe and have created a number of outfits out of it, of which I don't have a count on. So this will be a summer workwear capsule. This capsule is a great guide for those who find it difficult once the season starts transitioning and you end up feeling like shopping new clothes once the season starts changing. So watch till the end. Do check out all the outfits and let me know in the comment section if you find it helpful. Now, in order to build a successful workwear capsule wardrobe for yourself, firstly, you need to define a color palette. Now, the color palette which I have chosen is more of neutral colors. Because of very obvious reasons, neutral colors are something which all of us have in our wardrobe and is a very great way to begin with a capsule wardrobe. So, the colors which I have chosen is black, shades of blue, shades of brown, white, yellow. So this is how the color palette looks like, and these are some of the images I took inspiration from. You will get to see a lot of shades of brown, blue, white and even black. So talking about the bottoms, the first one in the list is this black colored trousers which are flowy in nature and provides a very comfortable yet stylish look. The next up in the list is this beige colored structured trousers which is ankle length and provides a very chic look. Also, I want to highlight one thing over here is that try to include different patterns in your wardrobe. For example, I have chosen a black trouser which is very flowy in nature, and side by side I have chosen beige colored trousers that are very structured. The last but not the least, this blue barrel jeans which is a very unique but very comfortable and is ideal for capsule workwear wardrobe. This is going to be a very useful thing for casual Fridays. So let's talk about the tops now. And the first one in the list is this white top. So you can wear it as it is or you can use it as a base and then layer it with a blazer or waistcoat if your office doesn't allow such clothing. The next one in the list is this checked blue shirt which will work both as casual and formal look and is very flowy and very comfortable. And last but not the least, this mustard yellow formal top which has puffed sleeves which in itself provides a very chic look. Lastly, we will begin with the layering. So the first one in the list is this blue waistcoat having button detailing, and you can wear it as it is or you can even use it as a layering. And lastly, we have this chocolate brown blazer which in itself gives a very royal vibe and can be used both casually and formally. Now moving on to the footwear. So I will be using only 2 footwears throughout the video, which will include this beige pointed shoes and this transparent heels which will go all the items out there. If your office doesn't allow such kind of footwear, then you can even go with white pointed shoes or black pointed shoes. Lastly, a workwear wardrobe is incomplete without a formal bag. So I will be using these 2 bags. So this one is a beige colored bag, has different colors on both the sides, and the other one is this white structured tote bag and provides a very formal look. And here comes the most interesting part. Let me show you all the outfits I have created, and if you want, you can also take a screenshot of all the outfits for your future reference. So this was it. I think this is the most easy breezy capsule workwear wardrobe, and which you can easily recreate. So let me know if you find it useful, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye bye.